Hi everyone! Are you having trouble printing from your mobile phone to your HP Inkjet printer? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to connect and print from your smartphone in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure your HP Inkjet printer is turned on, your printer is connected to Wi-Fi, your mobile phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You have installed the HP Smart app. You can download HP Smart from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store.
Step 1. Open the HP Smart app on your phone. Step 2. Tap on Add Printer or the plus icon. Step 3. Select your HP printer from the list. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete setup.
If your printer is not showing, press and hold the wireless button on your printer for 5 seconds to reset Wi-Fi mode. If your printer is not showing, press and hold the wireless button on your printer for 5 seconds to reset Wi-Fi mode.
Tap Print. And that's it! Your printer will start printing.
If your printer is offline, restart your printer, restart your router, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi.
Reinstall the HP Smart app. This fixes most common printing issues.
If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more printer setup tutorials. Thanks for watching. This is how you print from your mobile to an HP printer. If you need help, please call us now at 1-833-221-1006.